Maria manages a new laboratory and has just purchased an instrument controlled by Thermo Scientific Chromeleon Chromatography data system. That means she has the flexibility to add control for her other chromatography instrument from another vendor to standardize on one software that also controls Thermo Scientific MS systems. Having one software controlling everything means familiarity for all users with less training. Even better, the software's smart tools for data acquisition and processing and the built-in spreadsheet-based report designer streamline operations and eliminate errors. In the last year, Maria has purchased additional instruments, so now she has multiple lab workstations. This has increased capacity, but also created new issues with users queuing to start runs or process data, along with inefficiencies in data and user management. No problem. With Chromeleon CDS, she can simply connect the workstations together, enabling centralized administration of data and users, and remote access from any PC, even in the office. Backed by enterprise-level vendor support, she can ensure that her lab is kept running and her software is up to date. The lab has expanded further. With the software now business-critical, data security, regulatory compliance, and a lack of data insights have raised concerns. Ajit in IT needs to find a solution. He knows that Chromeleon CDS is designed to seamlessly expand, using physical or virtual servers or even cloud deployment. With centralized data storage, the lab can easily search and share data to gain insights, and industry-leading network failure protection will keep the lab running 24/7. Plus, the built-in compliance tools mean the lab is always audit-ready, all while maintaining performance and preventing data loss. Business is booming, and another lab has been acquired. Chromeleon CDS is perfectly positioned to help. Built to operate in a wide area network with separation of server-side tasks, it can provide centralization of administration with localized data storage to ensure performance with a consistent end-user experience. Collaboration and data sharing are also enhanced with the ability to view and query large volumes of data. Scaling up laboratory operations presents challenges, but with Chromeleon software, Maria can remove barriers and expand her business supported by modern architecture, all without changing the software or user experience. Built for the lab, built for IT, with no compromises. That's Chromeleon CDS from Thermo Fisher Scientific. Learn more today at thermofisher.com/Chromeleon.